cracks and fissures in rocks and strata due to tectonic forces far below, adding to the hydraulic cycle at the surface, and in ocean basins as well. So the primary water is also coming up through the ocean floor, and fissures in the ocean floor, and cracks that cause hydrothermal vents that release superheated water rich with mineral content to mix with salt water. And I want to refer everyone to the Fly Geyser that you told me to take a look at a number of years ago, Paul. Fly Geyser, F-L-Y Geyser, an amazing site. And we're just a moment's left, Paul. I'm looking forward to having you back on the program. And is there a final word that you would like to say?
Well, can I ask one real quick question before we go into the break? Because I think this might actually have a little bit of bearing on something. What kind of impact has fracking had upon primary water sources coming to the surface?
You know, that is impossible to measure. But in my opinion, if they're using chemicals, see, they don't know what they're doing. They have no idea. They have no idea that, yes, they are extracting, I'm all for extracting hydrocarbons. But you're going to have to know what you're doing, not just go willy-nilly and start fracking all over the place.
Now, Paul, it's my understanding when we've talked about that in the past, that once you access primary water and we bring it up, we can get it through all the poisons and toxins that they've perpetrated.
Yes.
Okay, that's important for everyone to hear. Yes.
But it depends on how deep they drill for this fracking business. Because, my God, you know, even bedrock is interlaced with fractures. You know, you have to know what regions would permit fracking and what regions would even be conducive to the production of methane. And you know, I'm all for progress, but for heaven's sake, take the time out and learn and study and understand what you're doing.
With that, I'm going to again recommend that everyone that's listening get this information out far and wide. That's what you can do. Water is going to be necessary for your survival in the process of what many of us are very much aware is happening to this planet and to humanity. We need water. We need food. Water is food. And we can't grow plants out of water. Our fruits and vegetables are not water plants. This is the slow introduction of reorganizing the food supply. It's an absolute massive shift to control the food supply and control the water. We're going to have Paul back on again soon. Paul, I can't thank you enough. Everyone, please go to primarywaterinstitute.org. Dig for water. Get water. Share this far and wide. Thank you, Paul.
Yeah, thanks, Paul, for coming on. Stay tuned, everybody. We'll be right back.